Hey guys, wait. How much chances are there that Uzethu could be Sydney's daughter? Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Because by the way that Umakazethu looked at Uzondo, you could tell they know each other from somewhere. So what does that mean? Could it mean that they met maybe on a party someday? Baheva lonto lencane where they have, and then boom, Uzethu. Guys, come on. Let us talk about this and more here on this video part. Before we start the video, I would like to request you to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Come on, let us quickly talk about this. So I'm watching the recent episode of Inimba and IMC. Should uzonke uyafika lapha esibhedlela ovakashela uzethu sobheka uzethu hamba noma wethu. Befika lapha naye bazixoxela nozethu, nothing's happening, like akunalutho baxoxela nje, like normal conversation. And then boom, kungena uMakazethu. Uma ngabe ngena uMakazethu, hayi boMakazethu amfanisa lo muntu lo. Lo muntu lo ngathi ngimazi laphi. And then uyacabanga, then later azo-realize ukuthi hayi wena ngiyakwa, like bayazana labantu lawa, they know each other from somewhere. So I'm here thinking ukuthi what if khona la bazana kakhona, what if bahlangana at a certain party and then benza into encane bethi bazama ukuzijabulisa and stuff, and then boom uzethu, because by the look of things usethu baba buka usethu baba ulapho babwakhe. And knowing the writers of Inimba, they are capable of doing such a thing. Bangayenza lento lena usinathi kama kodwa ithi ngakhulumi ngale nto lena. I'm sure that is going to happen as the time goes on. So guys, I don't know about you, but this thing is really exciting for me. So do comment there in the comment section, share your thoughts, share opinions about this, and if you enjoy content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.